In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image with a card style text section in your page builder. To get started, open the part of your page where you want this content to appear. The layout we're creating combines an image with a card panel beside it, which is a great option when you want to pair a visual with a short explanation, description, or call out. It's clean, easy to read, and works especially well for highlighting a feature, service, or important message. First, click the Add Block button shown with the plus symbol and choose Image. This will insert an image block into your page. If you're not sure where to place it, try adding it in the section where you want visitors to naturally pause and focus, since image and text combinations tend to draw attention. Next, upload your image file. Choose an image that is clear, relevant, and sized appropriately for your page. If possible, use a high-quality image that looks good on both desktop and mobile. Once the file finishes uploading, you should see it appear inside the block. Take a quick moment to confirm that it's the correct image and that it displays properly before moving on. After that, go to the Image Design tab and select Card. This changes the layout so your image is paired with an adjacent card panel. The card style helps separate the text from the image in a polished way, making the content easier to scan while also improving the overall visual structure of the page. Now add your text into the card panel next to the image. Keep your writing concise and focused so it complements the visual instead of competing with it. A short headline, a few lines of supporting text, or a brief explanation usually works best here. Since this text sits beside the image, it should help reinforce what the viewer is seeing. Finally, adjust the background color in the section styles. This is where you can fine-tune the appearance of the card area so it matches your page design. Choose a background color that creates enough contrast for the text to remain easy to read. If your image is busy or colorful, a simple, clean background often works best. If your brand uses specific colors, this is a good place to apply them in a subtle and consistent way. Once everything looks balanced, your image card section is ready. You now have a polished layout that combines visuals and text in a way that's both attractive and functional.